May I speak to you?
Yes, you can.
Where did you work before?
No, I didn't work anywhere.
Is anybody home?
Yes, tell me what to say.
May I speak to her?
No, she is busy.
Do you want to be rich?
Yes, I want to be rich.
What do you want to do?
I want to be a doctor.
Would you like to wait?
No, I don't want to wait any longer.
Are you ready to go out?
Yes, I am ready.
Why don't you come in?
No, I'm right here.
Can we talk in private?
Yes, of course.
Can I see that one?
Yes, you can see.
Why did she do that?
I don't know.
Is that answer is right?
No, the answer is wrong.
Could you repeat that?
No, I will not say.
Do you know that hotel?
No, I don't know.
Is that a picture of me?
Yes, this is your picture.
How high is that mountain?
I don't know exactly.
Is he at home?
Yes, he is at home.
Do you know what this mean?
No, I don't know.
Are you working tomorrow?
No, I'll take leave tomorrow.
How long have you been here?
I'll stay here for a month.
Is the battery connected correctly?
Yes, it is connected properly.
Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course.
Is she married?
Yes, she is married.
Where is Paris?
Paris is in France.
How is your dad?
He is fine.
What time is it?
It is 7 o'clock.
Who is that man?
He is my friend.
Is he still here?
No, he left yesterday.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready.
Who built it?
My mother made it.
Can you find it?
I'll find that later.
Can you handle it?
I'll try to handle it.
May I put it here?
No, you put it there.
What does it mean?
I don't know.
When does it begin?
It starts in the evening.
Will it rain today?
Yes, it may rain today.
How did you make it?
I know how to do it.
Is it far from here?
No, it is very near from here.
When did you buy it?
I bought it yesterday.
Was I wrong?
No, you were right.
How was your day?
I had a great day.
When was she born?
She was born in 2001.
Was the movie good?
No, I didn't like it.
How was the math test?
The math test was very good.
What will you use it for?
I will use it for my mobile.
Can you mail these for me?
Yes, of course I can.
Are you ready for the trip?
No, I need a little more time.
Should I wait for you here?
Whatever you want.
What is on the desk?
There's a pen on the desk.
Can I turn on the TV?
No, it's time to read.
What's going on here?
Cricket is being played here.
When do we leave?
We'll go a little later.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris.
Which is better?
It's the best.
How are you today?
I'm much better today.
How is business?
Not very good.
What did you say?
I didn't say anything.
Is there a bank nearby?
Yes, there is.
What is it?
It says chicken salad.
What is the date today?
Today is the 19th.
When will they come?
They will come at night.
Will you go by plane or train?
I will go by plane.
Do you have a car?
We have 2 cars.
What are your hobbies?
I love to play the piano.
What is that?
That's a temple.
Do you want me to come and pick you up?
No, you don't have to. Come.
Would you please spell your name?
Yes, of course.
What are you two talking about?
We're talking about college.
Which is better, chicken or fish?
I like fish more.
Can you please say that again?
Yes, I say again. No, I work in a bank.
Could you exchange this, please?
No, your time is up.
Did she propose to you?
No, she didn't propose to me.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
May I sit next to you?
Yes, of course, you can sit next to me.
You have too many books.
Yes, I enjoy reading a lot.
I've forgotten your name.
No problem. My name is Jane.
I will buy this thing too.
That sounds like a good idea.
I want to buy a house.
That's a big decision. Good luck.
Go straight ahead.
I'll keep going forward.
I lost my mobile.
Oh no. I hope you find it soon.
I'm going to leave.
All right. Take care.
I'm busy just now.
No worries. We can talk later.
He never gives me anything.
That sounds frustrating.
I can't express how sorry I am.
It's okay. I understand.
I do not understand your words.
Let me try to explain differently.
I am sorry to have kept you waiting.
No problem. I appreciate your apology.
Sorry, I'm calling the wrong number.
No worries. Happens to everyone.
They're very busy.
Yes. It seems like they have a lot to do.
Please sit down.
Sure. I'll take a seat.
I'm a stranger here.
That's okay. Everyone is new somewhere at some point.
My car isn't working.
That's frustrating. Maybe you need a mechanic.
Sorry, it's all my fault.
Apologies accepted. Mistakes happen.
Nobody is helping us.
That's unfortunate. Maybe we can figure it out together.
I'll be busy tomorrow.
Got it. We can catch up another time.
A strong wind blowing.
Yes, it's quite windy today.
The car is very expensive.
Yes, it's a pricey model.
The key is on top of the table.
Okay, I'll grab it.
We don't accept credit cards.
Okay, I'll pay with cash, then.
I'm sorry to be late again.
It's okay. Just try to be on time next time.
The book is on the table.
Got it. I'll pick it up.
Please fill out this form.
Sure. I'll fill it out right away.
I won't mention it again.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Don't forget to call me.
I won't forget. I'll call you later.
That smells bad.
Yes, it does.
He is waiting for me.
Okay. I'll hurry up then.
I'm sorry to interrupt you.
No problem. What did you need?
He never gives me anything.
That's not fair.
I can't express how sorry I am.
It's okay. I understand.